The orange cat is a biological anomaly that defies standard feline regulations. Ginger units run on pure chaos and a rotating schedule for the species' one shared brain cell. Here are 10 orange cat facts that explain exactly why your ginger roommate is like this. The single brain cell theory is entry one, and the evidence has been accumulating for decades. Scientists believe every orange cat alive today traces back to one single cat that lived over 900 years ago. The same genetic deletion appears in orange cats across the entire world. This is a massive logistical failure by the Feline High Council, and nobody has filed a formal complaint. The gender breakdown arrives at fact 2. Roughly 80% of orange cats are male. The orange mutation sits on the X chromosome. A female needs to inherit it from both parents to be fully orange, which makes them genuinely rare. The ones you do meet have beaten considerable genetic odds, and they're still just as chaotic as their brothers. Entry 3 shows up on their face, literally. As orange cats age, they often develop black freckles on their nose and lips, known as lentigo. They're a physical record of increasing pigment-producing cells. It's entirely harmless, documented, and entirely out of their control, much like everything else about them. Fact 4 connects your ginger cat to something you might not have expected: human redheads. The orange color in cats comes from pheomelanin, the exact same pigment that produces red hair in humans. It's the only coat color in domestic cats caused by this particular pigment. Whether the shared chemistry explains the shared reputation for chaos is something science hasn't yet confirmed. Sign 5 is where the science gets genuinely strange. The gene responsible for orange fur, RGAP36, is normally active in hormone-producing organs, like the pituitary gland. It had never been associated with pigmentation in any species before orange cats. A tiny deletion caused it to switch on in pigment cells instead, hijacking a hormone gene to produce a coat color. The Feline High Council has not explained how this got approved. Fact 6 is a size issue, and orange males have filed it in their favor. Research confirms orange male cats are measurably heavier than cats of other colors. The size gap between male and female orange cats is double that of non-orange cats. Larger male cats are documented to be more dominant and bold. The fearless, walks-up-to-strangers personality has a physical explanation. They're bigger than the competition, and they've known it the whole time.
Bruh.
The vocal performance is entry 7, and orange cats lead the entire division. The head vet at San Diego Humane Society specifically identified orange cats as far and away the most talkative of all coat colors. Cats learn that vocalization gets results: attention, food, acknowledgement, and orange cats have mastered the curriculum. They rely on volume to ensure their servant is aware of their current state of confusion, and they will not be reducing the decibel level at this time. 8 is stamped directly onto their face, and it's been there since the first orange cat walked the earth. Every orange tabby carries an M on their forehead, the tabby gene expressing itself whether they like it or not. Christian, Islamic, and Egyptian traditions each developed their own explanation for the same marking. 3 separate civilizations looked at the same marking and all concluded it required an explanation. The cat has never commented. Fact 9 is the oldest entry in this file. Stanford researchers believe orange cats spread across the world because humans 900 years ago kept choosing them. The bold, chaotic personality that fills your phone with videos today, was doing the same job in the 12th century. Whatever they were doing in the 12th century, it worked well enough that humans kept asking for more. They haven't revised the strategy since. 10 closes the file with a genetic reality that every orange cat is born wearing. Every ginger unit arrives with visible stripes, or the M marking on their forehead. The non-agouti gene that gives other cats a solid coat simply doesn't work on red pigment. A truly solid orange cat has never existed. It's a permanent, non-negotiable uniform for their division. The orange cat has been filing the same paperwork since the 12th century and shows no signs of stopping. They're genuinely over budget on personality and chaos, and the Feline High Council has no plans to fix that. Let me know in the comments if you've got an orange roommate, and whether they're currently waiting for their turn with the brain cell. Data audited. Chaos confirmed. I'll see you at the next Whisker Signals.